So, earlier this week, I think Saturday, we were cleaning the house and the walls, whatnot, and I was cleaning the walls and I couldn't stand this door stopper. It's like one of those metal spring ones. And I'm gonna have to crack it all loose. Gonna be easy enough. So, sanded it down, and I just painted it black. And the worst spray painter in the world, because this is not all supposed to be black. But just gonna take the screw out of here, which I think I can do that one-handed. Oh, yep, it's coming out. Put that down here. So I don't pinch myself. Also, this is the cap. It's one of these. Probably when I put this together, you'll see what it is. Almost everyone has these in their homes. How is that still wet? Find out something new every day. I'm just gonna put that back in the wood. Take this little piece out. This is also a pick up and do, not really planned. We did it Rust-Oleum, just so it didn't rust again. I think, there we go. Oh, it looks like the extra bits just come off onto my finger. It's been an entire day. These should be done. I don't understand why they're still wet. And the screw head's done. This other bit was laid on a little too thickly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this shirt already, so. So I won't show the put on process because it's actually generally how you saw me do it here. The screw goes into this and you just kind of screw this on top. Alright, this is my very short video. Actually, I might just combine this with the other videos I took on how I did it. Alright, goodbye. I painted it all black because I like black as a color. Bye.